Welcome to our portable washer showdown. Today, we're comparing the BLACK+DECKER small portable washer, a fully automatic compact machine designed for household use, with the Miheki 13L portable washing machine, a lightweight and foldable option perfect for travel and small loads. We'll explore their features, capacities, and prices to help you decide which one is right for you. When it comes to capacity, the BLACK+DECKER washer offers a generous 1.7 cubic feet, allowing you to wash up to 11 pounds of laundry at once. This makes it suitable for larger loads, such as towels and bedding. In contrast, the Miheki portable washer has a much smaller capacity of 13 liters, which is ideal for delicate items like underwear and baby clothes, but may require multiple cycles for larger loads. If you need to wash more at once, the BLACK+DECKER is the clear winner. In terms of portability, the BLACK+DECKER washer, while equipped with rollers, weighs a hefty 70.5 pounds, making it less convenient to move around. It's designed for a more permanent setup in your laundry area. On the other hand, the Miheki washer is extremely lightweight at just 4.59 pounds and folds down to a compact size, making it perfect for travel, camping, or small apartments. If portability is your priority, the Miheki is the better choice. Finally, let's talk about price. The BLACK+DECKER small portable washer comes with a higher price tag of $348, reflecting its larger capacity and more advanced features. In contrast, the Miheki portable washing machine is much more affordable at just $69, making it an attractive option for those on a budget or looking for a secondary washer. But, depending on your needs and budget, you may find one of these options more appealing than the other. In conclusion, both the BLACK+DECKER and Miheki portable washers cater to different needs. The BLACK+DECKER is perfect for those requiring a full-sized washing experience in a compact form, while the Miheki excels in portability and convenience for small loads. Let us know in the comments which one you would choose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.